how my database works. There are four main parts in my database. The main part is data of specimen. The main table specimen includes information about specimen ID, species ID, what it belongs, sample ID, where is catch, information about gender, and information about person who catch, define or check this specimen. There is sample ID, sample table, sample ID, stand ID, the place, method ID, which it was catch, data, and time begin and time end. Another table is species. Includes species ID and information about systematic. Subfamily, family, in superfamily, family, subfamily, tribe. And name, author ID, and another year. And a corresponding table, there are corresponding table to differ all IDs. The next block is bioannotation. It stores information about biological characteristics of the species. Preferred biotype, trophic specialization, seasonal aspect, life form of plants on which caterpillars feed, wintering stage. There is another important block. This is plant data. There are three main tables: vegetation, weak family, weak feeding. Vegetation includes the plant ID, name of plant, and weak family ID. Table weak family includes weak family ID and name of this weak family. Weak feeding includes two ID, vegetation ID and species ID. It should be borne in mind that for one species of moth, there may be several types of fodder plants, and accordingly, the same plant can eat several types of moth. Now you know how my database works. In the next video, I will analyze how to work with it. I will tell you how I fill it out and what problems I solved and how. Thank you for your attention.